We all know someone who has been affected by the current housing crisis. Too many neighbors, childhood friends, teachers, and other people important to us have left our Pacifica community due to limited housing options and high housing costs. The City of Pacifica is updating the housing element of its general plan to help address these issues. The housing element will plan for more housing in Pacifica for people at all income levels and identify other steps the city can take to address housing affordability and access to quality housing. Please join me and your neighbors at a community meeting on November 1st to discuss where new housing should be located. We need your input on strategies the city can use to plan for over 2,000 new housing units during the next 8 years. Visit planpacifica.org to learn more about the housing element update and to register for the upcoming community meeting. I hope to see you there.